Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another monthly subscription from the Curated Bead box. This is a $20 monthly subscription, and I have a coupon code for you to get 35% off your first box. Use code AGERM35. Now I'm going to put a link to the Curated Bead box down there below in the description bar, and I'm also going to put the coupon code down there below in the description bar so you can go and save money. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this up. The theme for this box is called Crystal Moon, and I really like that name. I think it's pretty, and it looks like we're going to have some really interesting and gorgeous beads here. I love these metal beads, and that pendant is adorable, and that strand looks awesome. I'm also liking the white strand, and see is that going to be gemstone? I don't know, but we will see when we open it. And again, reminder in case it's the first time you're watching this, here is the names of everything in the box, and over here are codes in case you want to reorder this stuff. And you can reorder this on their website right here. These items are available at dollarbead.com using our model numbers. Those there. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this. Oh my gosh! I thought this was was it Snowflake Obsidian or something? So it looks like it's black with white spots, but it's not. It's a gorgeous dark brown. Oh my gosh, the picture is not doing this justice. Stuff looks better in person. Okay. Oh my gosh, those are so pretty. So, oh, I love that color. I don't see these in the picture, and I've got these before, but in a larger size, and they are gorgeous. Those are beautiful. This is cool. This is hard to see in the picture. I like that strand. That's a gemstone, and this one here is mind-blowing. I really love this one. Isn't that pretty? It actually looks like it's porcelain or a ceramic, but I don't think it is. I think it might be glass, but we'll see when we go over everything. So there are those metal beads. Those are really neat. Wow, that pendant is cool. The stones didn't look like rivolis. It's really neat. Okay, let's go over the list. It's always the largest bead first to the smallest. So I'm going to try and guess the order here. I think that one might be gemstone. So those are 6, 6, 6. Oh, I didn't see this one. That's cool. I think those are 6. This one's 4. And then we have these little baggies and our little kit thing there. So, okay, I'm trying to get somewhat organized. The first one on the list is 12mm plum jade style glass bead, 8 inches. So I think I got this one before, but I want to say I got it maybe in an 8mm. It's a gorgeous purple. Isn't that pretty? I really like it. And it does have big holes, so you can put it on cord if you want. So that's awesome. Next is 10mm brown spray glass bead, 6 inch. That's this one here. This is also very pretty. I do wish though it had more of the splatter effect on it. I guess if you spin the bead you'll see it. It's on each one. Yeah, that's what it looks like. That's pretty cool. And then 10mm pink gray duo style glass bead. It doesn't say crackle. This is, I think it's pink and gray, but it does not say crackle. But it's definitely the next size down. I mean, what's over that one? Okay, there's a 12 millimeter further on the list. So I want to say it's this one. It doesn't say that it's crackled though, but it is. It's a crackled bead. 10 millimeter pink, gray, duo style. Duo meaning two colors. Glass bead. This is absolutely gorgeous. I haven't seen this color yet. It totally looks like a gemstone. It's really, really pretty. Very pretty. Probably one of the prettiest ones in the box. Okay, so this one's going to be further down. Next is 8 millimeter Dalmatian Jasper style glass bead. What? This is not 8, this is 6. This is 8. This is 8. These here are definitely... I didn't see that one. These are definitely like a 6 millimeter, maybe 5. So I guess the Dalmatian would be this one here. Yeah, it looks like it. There's two 8 millimeters. Okay, so I'll have to fix the string there. This one looks marbled to me. It's a white bead and it has a slight gray on it that gives it this marbled look. When I saw the picture, I actually thought it was halite at first. So, it's pretty. It looks like stone. And then the next one is 8 millimeter where'd I go? Drizzle light copper glass bead. 10.5. So pretty. I really like this one. Isn't that gorgeous? It looks like it's metal. It looks like a vintage metal color. It's very nice. Okay. And then now we're going to 6 millimeter. 6 millimeter drizzled charcoal glass bead. 10.5. That's gonna be this. I think, because it's like a blackish gray. Wow, so this one is actually just like this. So this is the copper and it has that metallic look. This one has like a gunmetal and it has that drizzle on it. See the little lines there? You can see it over here. It's very pretty. And that's in 6. Okay. And then we have 6 millimeter drizzle. What? Is this right? Drizzled copper glass bead. Now up there, oh, that one said 8 millimeter drizzled light copper glass bead. So this is drizzled copper glass bead. So it's darker, but not that one. This one. So this is the dark version of this one. I do like the light one more because from a distance this just looks black, but looking at it closely I could see that it is a dark brown and it has, I'm trying to get my camera to focus, it has a drizzle pattern on it. I don't see it on my camera, but maybe it'll show up on my computer. It is very pretty. Yeah. So I like that one too. Okay, and then next is 6 millimeter brown spotted marble style glass bead, 10.5. This is one of my faves. This bead is awesome. I've never seen it like this before. It looks like it's ceramic to me. Really cool. It's just totally covered in spots. It's very detailed. I like it a lot. What an awesome color combination. I don't think I would have thought to put these together. Still going on. Oh, I see what they're doing. Okay. So, after the 3 strands of 6 millimeter, they're then saying 4 millimeter plum jade style glass bead. This here. This strand is 16 inches long. Holy moly, it's very long. Very pretty though. Isn't that a gorgeous purple? It's like the prettiest shade of purple. Okay, so I'm going to put this here now. And then after that, they're going to 12mm beige, I could say that word, Jasper gemstone bead. It's 7 through 8" strand. This is very pretty. I really like the natural gemstone look. Yes, it's very pretty. Has marks on it. It's a nice strand. It looks great with the spotted brown one. Yes, I love those together. Such pretty color combos. Okay. Man, isn't that purple? Alright, this here, 6mm black onyx gemstone bead, 7 through 8". So it's a black bead. I have in my stash, I can't remember the name of it. It's not onyx. It's a black bead. I swear I'm seeing a little flash in here. I don't know if you see it. Is it a flash? Like cat's eye? But it's not glass. It's kind of cool. I like it that it has that. Okay, so that was the last strand, and then it's 24 by 34mm faceted crystal gold metal pendant. This is really neat. Oh my gosh. The bail's actually crooked on it, so I will bend it straight. I'll have to use pliers, it's pretty strong. But it is just so bizarre. So the crystals are actually shaped like rivolis. There's a point on each side, so it's that saucer shape. Do you see it? And it's just caged in this pendant. It's so cool. It's really cool. I like that a lot. You know what we could do? If we wanted to, we could cut this off and make this into a bracelet. Have beads going around. You could do peyote through here. I think I would actually do like a few strands of seed beads coming through here, and then put the two strands together and then put larger beads on it and put this in a bracelet. Have it be the centerpiece. It also kind of looks like a toggle to me. Like you could use, don't even worry about bending this. Just leave it the way it is, because mine's crooked. Do you see what I'm saying? But you can put a cord through here and have this be like a toggle closure, but make it into a lariat. Have this be the center, because it could flip back and forth. Both sides look great. So this could be for a lariat, and you could have multiple strands coming out the side here, coming around, and having your beads go through the center. You just have to make sure that your beads fit through the hole. So 8mm beads fit through very easily, but I would like to use smaller beads, so like 6mm and smaller for it. I think that's really cool though. But you will of course need a bottom dangle. Alright, and on the list, the next thing is 16 by 8mm color faceted rondelle glass gold link 6 links. That's this here. So these are just beaded links that have daisy spacers on the sides of rondelles. They're pretty. And they would look great with this. You could just get a simple chain from your stash and just measure short lengths of chain, like I don't know, maybe like 5-6 inch, and put these in between it, and then have the chain come down with these crystals in between the chain through this here. And I would have to go into my stash because I think a very pretty teardrop is needed for the bottom of this if I were to make this into a lariat. Yeah, and you could actually do a little tassel if you want to do a thin tassel with chain and teardrops. And just make sure that it fits to the center, and that would be a really cute lariat. Okay, so next, am I still in frame? Yep. The next thing is 16mm circle gold metal bead frame, 4 frames. These are so cool. Oh my gosh, I love these. And I gotta tell you, I would love to use these in that Creative Dreams bracelet. I want to go back and make more of those bracelets. I love that design so much, and I'm the kind of person where I have to make new things all the time. I'm not a mass producer of my designs. I'm always on to the next thing. Once I accomplish and complete something, I want to see what I could do next. So yeah, but that bracelet, I love that bracelet, and I would love to go back and make it again. Another bracelet that I would also love to go back and make was the Journey bracelet. I also was in love with that one. Okay, so that was everything on the list, and now I'm going to this bag here. This comes in every box. It has everything you need to make jewelry except for pliers. So it has crimped beads, it has bead string wire, earring findings, jump rings, lobster claw clasp, head pins, elastic cord, which is great quality. This is really good stuff. It does not break, and memory wire. Alright, so here's everything that I am getting in this month's box. The color combination is so pretty. I definitely want to take like a picture of all the colors together because it's very inspirational. But I do kind of feel like one color here doesn't go for me, and I feel like it's the white. I think it looks better without the white. I do love this creamy beige color in here though. And I would look for more beige colors in my stash. I have some beige check fire polish beads that I think would look good with this mix. But yeah, but I could see using the white if I pull strands out. So this goes with the white, of course, because there's white in that. This can go with the white. This can go with the white. But if I were to use like several things from this box, I would probably eliminate this white strand and go with more of these color combinations here. Yes, I like it a lot. It's very pretty. Alright, so this is it. I'm going to leave a link down there below in the description bar for the Curated Bead box, and I'm also going to leave the coupon code down there below in the description bar. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this box opening. I had such a fun time opening this. The colors are so gorgeous, and this is it. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and follow me on my social media sites. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.